forgot you. It's just that I started to feel pleasure when I distanced myself from you. I never forgot you. It's just that I'm tired. I'm tired of trying to show you that I admire every moment that I spent with you. I'm tired of acting a fool just to get your glance in my direction. I never forgot you. It's just that I finally realized that people who loves you are the one who can break the treasure of yours into pieces that nobody can collect. I finally realized that every calling for my time wasn't worth what you were looking for. I never forgot you. It's just that I deserve to be loved more than you do. I never forgot you. It's just that I don't want the history to repeat itself. I mean, I don't want to keep holding on to